Karma Guy here. Check out this 2014 Cadillac XTS Premium Collection with only 23,000 miles. It has an excellent dealer service history, a recent $150 service, and includes the original books. This beauty is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, with options to add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate. Plus, you can ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Recent service includes wipers and a fresh oil change. We've also included a recent computer scan in the photos, showing a clean bill of health with all 8 monitors completed. We understand making a car purchase is a big decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status. You can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Invest in quality today.